In this video, we'll explore HTML comments. HTML comments are a way of adding documentation to your code that browsers don't display. They're essential for making your code understandable and maintainable. Here's an example of how to write single and multi-line comments in HTML. To write a comment, use a less than symbol followed by an exclamation mark, then two hyphens, then the comment, then two hyphens, and a greater than symbol. You can write anything you want inside a comment. The browser will ignore the comment and only display the content specified by the HTML tags. You can also write multi-line comments. Just start with a less than symbol, followed by an exclamation mark, then two hyphens. Write your comment over multiple lines and end with two hyphens and a greater than symbol. Now let's discuss why you should use HTML comments. HTML comments are used to document your code, helping you and others understand what different parts of the code do. They're helpful in explaining complex sections of your code, making it easier to follow the logic. Use comments to leave notes for team members, improving collaboration and knowledge sharing. Comments allow you to temporarily disable code without deleting it, which is useful for testing and debugging. Finally, you can use comments to organize large documents, breaking them down into manageable sections. Here's an example of how to use comments to organize sections of your HTML code. In this example, comments are used to indicate the start and end of the navigation section. A comment is also used to temporarily disable a list item. Let's talk about HTML comment best practices. First, always add comments at the top of your file to describe what the code does. Comments should be added above all major logic blocks to describe the purpose of the block. Code blocks are easier to read with comments. Comments should be short and to the point, yet descriptive enough to understand the meaning. Here's an example of good comments. The code contains a header section with a logo and main navigation. The comments describe the purpose of the header, the logo container, and the main navigation. Here's an example of bad comments. The comments are too obvious and do not add any value to the code. It's obvious that the code contains a div and two paragraphs. So, commenting those is not very helpful. Let's explore some advanced HTML comment techniques. You can comment out code temporarily. This disables the HTML elements without deleting them. This is useful for testing and debugging. In this example, the entire section with class features is commented out. You can also use comments for structural organization. Use comments to create visual separators in your code. This makes it easier to scan and understand the structure of your document. In this example, comments are used to separate the header and main content sections. Here are the key takeaways about HTML comments. Remember that comments are visible in the source code, but not displayed on the web page. Here's an example of a comment. Importantly, comments are not secure. Users can still view them in the page source. Therefore, don't put sensitive information in comments. Best practice is to use comments to explain complex code sections and document your HTML structure. Finally, you should keep comments updated when you modify code to avoid confusion. HTML comments are a powerful tool for code organization, documentation, and collaboration with other developers. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.